Hello friends, today I'm going to teach you using of YouTube experiment how we can find it is a diamagnet or it is para or ferromagnet. Okay, see here I kept here it is a we filled YouTube is a diamagnetic material in a liquid state of diamagnetic material. Okay, so YouTube will be make us own level of liquid will be floating will be with the own level. Okay, so when I place the strong magnetic field in case like this, okay, strong magnetic field north south, okay, in case it is a diamagnet means it will come down, okay, so the level will be decrease, okay, so the level if decrease this side the level will be increase. The reason diamagnet will be moving towards the weaker side, okay. So when we apply the strong magnetic field it won't be inside, it will be fall down, okay. The same experiment I am doing, okay, with the para and ferro, okay. Para and ferro means it will move towards our strong magnetic field. If you apply the strong magnetic field, already it was there in a one level, okay. Now the liquid will be this side will be fall, this side will be rise. The reason diamagnet will be moved towards the strong magnetic field, okay. So this is an experiment you can find which one is a dia, which one is a para, which one is a ferro. Dia means it will be fall down, the liquid level will be fall down, okay. As we know YouTube will be the liquid level will be maintained as the same, okay. See here dia, when we apply the magnetic field with the diamagnetic material, so it will be come down, this side will be rise, okay. Same thing para and ferro, okay. Para means will be rise little, ferro means it will be raised, it's a more, okay. The reason ferro will be produce strong magnetic field compared to the para, okay. So this side will be fall and this side will be rise, okay. So this is a experiment, whole experiment you can find which is dia, which is para, which is ferro. Thank you.